Morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken fourth chapter summary of the novel The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. So in chapter 4 you will read that Miss Sullivan arrived, and she arrived on March 3rd 1887, and it was as there was light in Helen Keller's life, and anyone was there to come and to give her knowledge. So it was like light and vision in her life. Her desire was fulfilled when the light of love shone on her, the person who had come to reveal her the mysteries of the world and held her lovingly. So here we have learned that Miss Sullivan came here and she gave her a doll, and she spelled into her hand the word doll, and she tried, means Helen Keller tried to touch doll and to understand that this is doll, but she was frustrated at that time, so she just dashed the new doll upon the floor and it broke into fragments, and then it was broken, and her teacher swept the fragments, and she felt satisfied, feeling that the cause of her discomfort had been removed. She was feeling frustrated, so जो डॉल मिस सलीवन ने उसको दी थी उसने फेंक दी. बाद में हेलन केलर को महसूस हुआ कि एंगरनेस इज नॉट अ पॉजिटिव थिंग. सलीवन एंड हेलन वेंट आउटसाइड. देन मिस सलीवन ने उसको हाथ में पानी टच कराया गार्डन में जाकर टैप के पास, और वाटर लिख करके भी बताया. इन दैट वे शी केम टू नो व्हाट इज वाटर एंड हाउ इट इज रिटन. द मिस्ट्री ऑफ लैंग्वेज वॉज revealed to her. She came to know that each word has its own name. She came to know there is name for each and every object in this world. So this is about chapter 4. It is about the arrival of Miss Sullivan. In chapter 5, Helen Keller, she came to know that nature is also ferocious, can be ferocious. We know very well that nature has healing power. Nature gives all the things to us, and in her life, Helen Keller's teacher Miss Sullivan, she would take her in the garden and on the trees and to touch nature, so that she could understand about nature. And then she came to know that nature can be violent. Once she was sitting on the branch, and then Helen Keller was also there, and Helen Keller के साथ मिस सलीवन भी थी. मिस सलीवन फिर लंच लेने चली गई, एंड उसी समय बहुत तेज तूफान आया, और जो ब्रांचेस थी दे स्टार्टेड ट्रेम्बलिंग. At that time she terrified badly, but anyhow at the sudden moment Sullivan came and she helped her to come down. In this way Helen came to know that nature can be violent. She came to know that sadness and happiness are essential parts of our life. So this is about chapter 5 and 4. And in here she learnt that nature has healing power, but nature has angerness also. Nature can be violent also. So this is about chapter 4 and 5. Okay students, thank you and Jai Hind.